Hi, I'm Jim from Salt Free Water Softener Sales, and I'd like to take a few minutes to tell you about salt-free water softeners. The first thing is I'd like to clear up the fact that there's no such thing as a salt-free water softener. It's a water conditioner. And what it does is it changes the molecular structure of the calcium in the water so that it sticks to itself and not to your appliances and your plates. A water softener removes the calcium, and that's how you get soft water. A water softener also uses salt to regenerate the media beads inside the water softener tank itself. So that's the difference between the two. Now, I used to sell both water softeners and salt-free water conditioners, and they both work. It just depends on your preference. Now, if you want soft water, you're going to want to buy a water softener. If you just don't want spots and stuff on your dishes and your appliances, then you can get a water softener or a water conditioner. Now, a water conditioner will work on well water and city water. You have two things to think about though. If you have well water and you have iron in your water, you're going to want to get yourself an iron filter, and you can buy one of those here at this site below as well. Just click through to Whole House Filters and then Iron Filter, and you're going to want to get the one on the top, just the inexpensive iron filter. Or if you live in the city, you're going to want to get a carbon filter before you use your water conditioner, because the chlorine will eat away at the beads and you won't get the life expectancy out of it that you would if you had no chlorine, like on the water well. But the iron in the water well will coat the beads and they won't be able to do their job either. So if you live on a water well and you have iron, then get an iron filter and a water conditioner. If you live in the city, then get yourself a carbon filter to stop the chlorine and a water conditioner. And that way you won't have chlorine in your water and you won't have spots on your dishes. If you live on a water well, you won't have iron in your water and you won't have spots on your dishes or your appliances. The water conditioner doesn't backwash, so it doesn't use excess water. It's green, it's friendly, and it does the job. I had one in my own house. It didn't leave spots on the glass in the shower. It did just the same job as the water softener did. The only difference was the water wasn't soft. However, it did feel soft. So there was a difference. And it can make a difference if you are a tea drinker, or you might find a difference in your coffee. I, however, did not find a difference in my coffee with whether I was using a water softener or the water conditioner. So, in either case, take a look below at the site. Choose whether or not you want a water softener or a water conditioner. They both work. The only difference is, if you have iron, you'll need an iron filter. If you live in the city, you'll want a carbon filter. Alright, so you're going to spend a little bit more money, but you're going to get the same effectiveness. I appreciate your time. Click through to the link and have a great day.